Setting a budget for purchasing a mini centrifuge is an important step in the buying process. Understanding the price range can help you compare different models and assess their value for money. Here's a general guide to the typical prices of mini centrifuges, price factors, brand reputation, impact. Well-known brands often command higher prices. Features and specifications, impact. Advanced features like refrigeration and programmable settings increase cost. Capacity and rotor compatibility, impact. Larger capacities and a wider range of rotor options typically raise the price. Build quality and durability, impact. Robust construction and longer warranty periods may increase the price. Typical price ranges, budget models, 100, 300, features. Simple design, adjustable speed, compact size. Suitable for routine lab work and occasional use. Mid-range models, 300, 800, features. More advanced controls, higher speed capability, and better build quality. Suitable for regular use, medium volume processing. High-end models, 800, 2000 plus, features. Refrigeration, advanced safety features, programmable settings. Suitable for sensitive sample handling, high volume processing, and specialized applications. Conclusion: the price range for mini centrifuges varies depending on brand, features, capacity, and build quality. To learn more about mini centrifuges and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.